One of the biggest things that I took from this conference is the encouragement and the fact that so many women are here and that we've evolved. I work at a dealership where I'm the only woman, and a lot of the women in here work at dealerships where they're the only women, and they are dominating. So that's encouragement for me, to go back to work and be like, okay, I'm that girl and I can do this. So I'm ready to go to the next level.
Do you like the content? Well, if you want more, then you need to sign up for Bradley On Demand, the world's best virtual training platform in the entire automotive industry. With some of the top speakers, salespeople, and trainers, and almost 7,000 training modules. You will sell more cars more often and more profitably. So sign up now at www.bradleyondemand.com.